there, it's Ashley from WTI.
Do you have pesky weeds in your yard? So do I. I was so happy to find this Royalgarden weed puller. It's super easy to use, but most importantly, it's ergonomic, meaning that it really saves your back from bending over and over again, having to get those weeds out of your yard. We have a pretty big front and backyard, and this makes pulling weeds so much easier. It has a fiberglass foot pedal, so you don't have to worry about it cracking on you due to the pressure that you're pulling up the weeds. It's a very quality product. I use it, my husband, my son, we can all use it. It's really easy. And most importantly, it makes weed pulling not a chore. I can easily pull these up and discard them. I would highly recommend this if you are looking for something that is going to benefit your yard, benefit you, make it a little bit easier to do that yard work. I highly recommend this. It's comfortable for all of us to use. It has a great handle here at the top and 10 out of 10 product.
And that's my point of view.